I perform an intervention to the work of fellow Dayanino. The management indicators are an essential complement to any type of activity related to the logistics and production component. It is for this reason that in view of the presentations made by the partner, I totally agree. Since these indicators that he has selected are decisive before any productive activity to be carried out, taking into account the proportions of any business organization. It is found that he metrics selected by the partner to support the task to complement these stipulations can highlight the importance highlighted by the models to be highlighted for the continuous growth of the company. As they face inventory and deliveries, taking into account the importance of these two concepts and their application in the business environment. In addition, it is possible to add the fact that within any organization, it is essential to stop to analyze and measure what impact and return each of the actions that have been taken and carried out has had. It is useless to launch actions without knowing if they are effective or, on the contrary, have not had the expected impact of them. This part of analysis and control, so fundamental in companies, is usually one of the most forgotten. Whether by time or by budget, the truth is that there are few organizations that choose to keep a good control of all the actions that have taken place. Thank you very much.